Many companies, when they think about outsourcing their software development, look for the team to speed up the process or get some kind of the expertise. But are all the software teams the same? So today I'd like to talk a little bit about the phases of team development. So the best possible scenario is like this, that we get the team which is high performing. What does it mean? So you look for the software vendor and you are able to get people who know each other, they work together for years, and they know the same practices, they are adjusted to their style of work, they work within similar processes with the similar toolset. So it allows us to start directly with this performing stage of team development. So if you think about getting the new team for your project, ask about how many years they work together. Are they located in the same office, at least partially? Have they been on the same projects together? Do they know each other? It really makes it easier to start a project for you. Why? Because usually what happens when you establish a new team, it goes across 4 phases. So at first there is the forming stage, everything goes smoothly, people are just meeting, starting to collaborate, they are very friendly. But then suddenly you move to the storming phase and something is going wrong. They start to quarrel, they work with their egos and start to establish some kind of a hierarchy among them. Later on you've got the norming stage, so they find the common sense and they know how to collaborate, and finally you go to the performing stage. But it takes a lot of time, sometimes about 6 months or even more. What does it mean? That the team which was established just for your project will probably get through all these phases. So the performance and value delivery will be really low at the beginning, and they will start to really deliver after a few months. But if you look for a team which is already in this performance mode, they just need probably a few weeks to build the relation with you, adjust to the business domain, and they can deliver value almost immediately. So when thinking about looking for the team to outsource, ask about seniority of the team, how long they work together, do they sit in the same office, have they been before on the projects together, because what you want to get is the high performing